Yeah. TikTok got them filters.
These ship boxes are 5.3 to 6.2 with a badass transmission and rear end is all you. That's what we're going to put in the Subaru. We're going to put a new truck engine and transmission. Like a 2020 F-150.
Oh, it look like he in reverse. Oh.
Keep that all-wheel drive. Got a big V8. Make that thing a missile.
Okay, they say the Ford for the win on the other side, y'all. Okay, right lane for the win, y'all. Right lane for the win. Ooh. Yeah, right lane for the win. Excuse me, miss. You on my YouTube channel? Look at racing. Yeah, it's going down like James Brown.
You better do the same when I make mine.
Oh, you finna make a pass?
Yeah.
Okay, we finna see what you're working with in a minute then. You on that, miss? My YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Yeah, it's going down. Look Out Racing. Huh? Yes, sir. Let's see what this thing here finna do. Let's see, come on with it, y'all. Let's see what he finna do. Here, look, hey, I'm gonna have it on. I'm gonna have it on. I'm gonna have your car on there, man. Okay. Here's somewhere. Oh, oh, he missed second. Man, just gave him a call. Yeah, he wiggling that ship.
That's a Pat Music.
Oh, word. Oh, yeah. Pat Music. Hey, y'all.
5.3. That's a 5.3.
Board space or what?
Yeah.
5.3 board space. Let me get over here and give out some more of these cars, y'all. Look out, look out. Hey, Mira. You on my YouTube channel?
Yeah, look out.
Yeah. Damn, he already. Here, you want? Give me that card back. Let me give it to him. Mira, suscríbete a mi canal. Dale me gusta. Yeah. You know about that, miss? Dale me gusta. Mira. Look out, look out. Damn, it sound like he went to second in reverse. Okay. Look out, here you go. That's my YouTube channel. Look out. Where y'all at this truck or this Mustang? Mira. Mira. Suscríbete a mi canal. Mira, mira. Okay.
Hey, let's go, White.
Mira.
What am I saying?
Look Out Racing and YouTube.
Look out, look out.
Look out. Oh, you on one, miss? Yeah, tell your uncle and everybody.
Bro, I told you better start watching Look Out shit.
Yeah, he already done told y'all.
We out here.
Yeah,
Stop playing.
Stop playing, y'all. He done already told y'all. Yeah, he just got out. Y'all don't listen to what he say. He'll go back in. He'll go back in, y'all. Look out, Mira. My Look Out Racing channel.
Hey, I got 20 over there. Let's go.
Let's see what he gonna do. Oh, he almost lost it. Truck for the win, y'all. Truck for the win. He almost lost it, y'all. Mira, Lookout Racing. Go on YouTube. Make sure suscríbete a mi canal. Look, y'all. This is my YouTube channel. Man, that's a lot of people, new people. Good. Look out. Hey, girl. Hey. Let me get these two right here. Look out, look out. Hey, hey. There you go. That's my YouTube channel. Get one to somebody behind you. Yeah, man. Get that. Hey, miss, get that. Subscribe. Lookout Racing. My YouTube channel here. We putting y'all on there. Y'all want to put y'all Instagram or something on here? What is it? Put your Instagram.
Oh, it's Ashley's Kitchen, bro, on Instagram.
Oh, she be cooking, y'all.
Bacon, baby, everything.
Okay. I need something baked. I need some chocolate chip cookies and some peach cobbler. Okay. I want some peach cobbler. Yes. Okay. We need to how I get in touch with you again.
Get on my Instagram.
What is it?
.kitchen._.
Ashley.kitchen._, y'all. Look out. Hey, got my boy over here. Hey. Yeah. We need to go over here. Okay, she lit. Hey girl, I got your name on here.
I appreciate you.
Already, man. Appreciate it. Hey, look out, man. You on my YouTube channel? Look out, already. Marry her.
Fierro, pariente.
Pariente! Woo! I love it. Okay. Hey.
Hey, puro Chevy, vato.
Puro Chevy, vato. A huevo.
Yeah, goddamn.
Yeah. You on my YouTube channel? Yeah.
In my wallet, goddamn.
Okay. Yeah. Puro Chevy.
Puro Chevy, baby.
Puro Chevy, baby. Puro. Oh shit, he was a little wiggly. Okay, we got the Banshee back. Where y'all going, the bike or the Banshee?